Hi, y'all. This is Mr. Spengler. We're going to kind of talk you through some things in today's lesson. This is the first part, the warm-up. And remember, the warm-up is just to get you thinking. Before I say much more, I'm going to show you a video, and here goes. What you're seeing here is data from NASA, and they're able to track with satellites the wind and the water temperature. So this is a computer model of what's happening. Does it happen this fast? Heck no, this is not going that fast, but it's sped up. So what we have here is the beginning of the Gulf Stream. This is the Gulf of Mexico, and that's where it gets its name. That's where it's at its biggest, and it's going really strangely right here. It's going around uh, these islands, but it flows this direction. And as you notice, the warmer the color, like reds and oranges, that tells you it's a really warm current. It's warmer than the surrounding air. And as it goes northward, it's cooling, but it's still pretty darn warm. There's lots of yellows, which is a warm color. So basically, the Gulf Stream is carrying a lot of energy with it as it heads north. And as it heads north, it's running into cooler air. So what's going to happen to the energy that's in that water? Is it going to flow to the air, or is the air energy going to flow to the water? Remember, heat energy flows from where it's hot to where it's cold. Okay, look at how wacky this pattern is right here. What's causing the question basically for the warm up is, hey, what's causing the surface currents in our ocean? What's causing this? So that's what we want you to do is think a little bit, um, do your best, write a few sentences here, um, and show your thought. Remember, you don't have to be correct necessarily. When you're done, make sure to click on Hand In. Part 2 has you rereading the Gulf Stream. We're not going to do that, so you can skip that. Part 3, I'll just explain. Part 3 is a separate video that I'd like you to watch, but basically I've set up a lab that I'll demonstrate, and you're going to watch it and then answer these questions, okay? And it's important that you watch it. Um, Listen for some silly thing, and it might come in handy with a question later on. But I'm going to stop this now, and you're going to return to this, and that's the next video after my lab. So stop here and watch the other video.